Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be doing unboxing of the Greenworks 1900 PSI 1.2 GPM gallons per minute portable electric pressure washer. So let's begin. We're going to use the Work Pro quick blade. Alright, let's try what's going on here. Alright, let's go ahead quickly. Hope everybody's having a good day. Let's see what's going on. I made it easy. Alright, let's put that aside. Not get hurt. Pretty good packaging. Get this crap off. Instructions? Don't need instructions. This is a spray bottle. Put soap in it, foam up the car. That's cool. I like that. Here we got the wand. We got the gun. Alright. Put that aside. It's pretty good. Alright, so this one is the kit. It came with the ground sweeper thingy. You know the name of this? Put it on the comments below. But this is what I really wanted. Let's put that aside. Pretty good packaging, pretty good protection. It weighs about 8-10 pounds. That's pretty good. Get this out. Crap. Filter everywhere. That's not good. We packaged. Got the hose, about a 20-foot hose I was told. I read. Alright, so yeah, so let's see here. We got this one on here. So 11-inch surface cleaner. That's what it is. That's what it's called. Soap applicator. 1900 PSI. Soap applicator, pressure washer, turbo nozzle, 20-foot hose, non-marking. Blah 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 blah. All that stuff. All that garbage. All right. Packaged pretty well, I think. All right. So we'll see how that works. All right. What stuff is here? Pretty long outlet. It's protected. All right, so that's a good thing. The button's pretty good. If you can see that, I don't know if the camera will catch that. Red for off and green for on. That's pretty cool. The hose, the water hose, goes in here. You connect your water hose in there, turn it on. You put the wand, this one, you put this in here. Then you connect it to the wand. Like so. Turn it. Well, we'll mess with that later. But I think it's, I don't want to break it right now, but somehow that gets connected. Not that I know how to turn it on, but I guess you might need the instructions. But anyway, we'll figure it out. It won't turn, but we'll figure it out. Anyway, I will get this hooked up and I will come back and we'll use it. All right, talk to you soon. Okay, we are ready to blast away. Okay, so it'll only turn on when I pull the trigger. So we're gonna clean Mr. Jurassic Park over here. Pretty good. Does a pretty good job. You can get the ground. All in all, pretty powerful. Quick connect. Take this one off. Get the green turbo. Put it on, push, follow through. A little swirl action. This is even stronger. I like this one. I like this one. This one's pretty good. Washing a car just got easier. Now there's a third one. Hopefully I'm doing it right. This one is a bigger one. Hopefully the camera can pick it up. Push it in. See what this does. Oh, this is the turbo swirl action. See? Turbo swirl action. Gunk off, huh? Good deal. Well, all in all, pretty good. $119, 120 bucks, call it what it is. BestBuy.com gives you the whole kit. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Comment below any questions. Let me know what you want me to review next or next shorts. Thank you for all your help. Thank you for all your support. Part 3 will be the surface cleaner. We got the name right. All right. Till then, see ya.